Man, I'm so worried about these loans. What am I gonna do?
We can help with that.
Oh, excuse me?
We can help with that. Follow me.
All right.
We've been watching for some time. As we're getting closer to graduation, our monetary senses were starting to tingle. Our council was assembled from watersheds from all around the world.
Oh.
Council? Have a seat.
We're not here to tell you what to study or where to work.
We're here to tell you how to make it rain. Money.
Hydrologists start at an average of $80,000 a year, with a chance to make over 6 figures after 5 years.
What do I have to do next?
Watch this montage. Well, no, you have to take Chem 2, you gotta take OChem, Physics 2, Calc 2, you gotta take a bunch of like math classes and hydrology. You have to also talk to the counselor to get it, stuff.
It sounds like a lot, but I think I could do it.
I'm sure you can.
Get back. I'm alright, Jack. Keep your hands off of my.
Is that really all I have to do?
Well, no, you have to take Chem 2, Physics 2, OChem. You have to take Calc 2. You gotta take like a bunch of classes. It's gonna be really hard.
I could do it.
Thank you.
Keep your hands off of my stack.